Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV. It's a beautiful day outside, so we got a video for you today outside on a brand new 26 Keystone Cougar 23 MLE. Very popular selling floor plan for us. So stats are gonna pop up at the beginning of the video. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. We're gonna take you around the outside, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So right off the rip here, I'm just gonna take a step back. So you'll see that Cougar front cap. You'll see the light strips on left and right side, and also all the way up top, you'll see another one up there too. So people can see that you're definitely coming. Kurt Helix hitch, 18,000 pound capacity. More information on that will be in the description. Coming on forward, this is where your spare tire is gonna be. You can see that we got old trusty out today. Off to the right will be your battery box. Power, your battery disconnect. This unit's prepped for an inverter. Solar charge controller, solar disconnect, everything in one convenient location for you guys. I'm gonna take a step back so I don't smash my head. So you do have one slide on this unit. You can see that already comes equipped with the slide toppers, but this is half-ton towable. Propane tank number one. Opposite side is another propane tank. Looking at the pass-through storage, large amount of pass-through storage. Off to the left, you'll have your electronic leveling, cap lights, hitch lights, dump lights, outdoor shower attachments in here, your power cord. Off to the right for your external shower, everything you need for your tank flushes, black, gray tank, everything in one convenient location. Slam latch doors, endless hot water heater, and then you'll have your furnace, again, one convenient location. We'll get a look at the wheels and tires. Moving between units. 50 amp plug-in. You may hear a little bit of noise, so it's busy season for us now, so we're moving units on the lot like crazy. Looking at the back of the Cougar here, so pretty standard from what I say in most of my videos here, but you'll have prep for your backup camera, make parking this a lot easier. Ladder to get up on the roof to kind of clean off the slide or any debris that's on that slide topper. Moving on forward, you actually have your hitch from the factory, which is super nice, and that's capable of 3,000 pounds. Looking at the other side of the unit, again, back to another Keystone Cougar. There is solar up on the roof to trickle charge and help out with that battery. Large power awning with LED light strip down below. It's pretty windy out right now, so I don't have that awning out, but it is a power awning. We'll get a look at the nice, sweet beer fridge. Or soda fridge, if you don't drink. We'll take a look at the Lippert auto leveling here too, if I didn't show that on the opposite end. Anti-lock braking system. Moving off to the right here. Speakers on the outside so you can connect via Bluetooth, listen to your music. And then we'll just look at the opposite side of that pass-through storage. Off to the left, you'll have chargers, compartments, lights. And what's actually really nice about this is you have a covered switch for that power awning. Couple of GFCI outlets, everything you need, again, in one convenient space. New solid steps, kind of wipe off that debris, that dirt when you're walking in. But let's head on inside. So again, this is a smaller unit here, but perfect couples camper if you want to use it as such. So I'm kind of going to start from the back of the kitchen here. So you're going to see right away that you have plenty of counter space, lots of storage already for your cups, plates, bowls, dishes. I'm going to start from the microwave. We'll get a view of that. Tiny little microwave, but gets the job done. These drawers are all going to be the same, so I'll just show the one. But you got two more down below. Lots of deep cabinet space. And these are also soft close drawers, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Nice deep sink, plenty of storage down below, and those accessories are just for lining over the sink here to dry your dishes. A little bit more off to the right. 3-burner gas cooktop. Nice LEDs on the oven. I'm sure you've seen that before, but decent size oven, good enough to cook a pizza. Don't throw a turkey in there. Some storage down below, maybe some smaller Tupperware. Right below the fridge, There's some more storage. Now we'll get a look at the fridge and the freezer. Close that up. And this is that slide here too. So smaller slide, smaller unit, but again, you have to be in this unit here. Plenty of space. I've got plenty of room. So looking over at the dinette, we got some storage on both sides of the dinette. This does convert down into a bed if you do want to sleep an additional guest or a friend. Storage up above the TV. And I mentioned for the Bluetooth controls, all of that's going to be right here. Super easy to use, super easy to pair your phone with a little bit of storage up above. Speakers will be up above my head as well as the air conditioner. We've got some storage here. Nice big windows too, again, letting in a lot of that natural light. And then we'll have our couch here. Now, I've mentioned this in some of my other videos here too, but I won't touch anything right now because I don't want to affect the camera. But you'll have your dimmer lights so you can dim each individual room. Looking into the pantry for cans of soup, Doritos, chips, crackers, anything for a late night snack. Lots of space here. Most people will say, oh, you could put the coffee pot here, but realistically, you could put anything you put your mind to here. Sounds like a typical salesman. Or you can put your coffee pot here. But more storage down below, along with our fuse box. Device charging outlets with an inverted outlet here. I don't know if I showed these, but I'm going to show them again if I didn't. I don't think I did because I didn't show that off. So you have your Keystone owner's manual here. And it's so funny that someone put all of these in here, so we gotta get our message out. We gotta show people that this unit's available and what the specs are. So moving on upstairs. So again, another dimmer switch, AC controls, and then you'll have your panel here to operate everything. Next to where's your tank heaters, your slides, your awning, your lights. Again, everything in one spot. Now, coming on into the bathroom, so this is a smaller fifth wheel. The bathroom is definitely functional. So toilet, obviously, decent amount of counter space for the bathroom here. These three drawers are going to be the same, so I'm going to open up the one so you can kind of see what we're working with. But nice large medicine cabinet, toothpaste, deodorant, body maintenance equipment. That's important. But doing the shower test, this is obviously going to work. I'm 6'1", so the skylight's right up here, so I'm not coming close to anything. So you got plenty of room to shower, so the bathroom is definitely functional. Just don't crack your head on anything like that. But max air fan up above the toilet, and then you'll have some towel hooks, or if you want to put washcloths, smaller bathroom towels there, you can do that. And then if you want to use this as more towel storage or toilet paper storage, you can do that as well. Moving on into the bedroom. This is going to be pretty similar to what you've seen in some of the other videos here, but you'll actually have your king size bed with plenty of storage underneath. And that's assisted, so you don't have to do anything. Plenty of device charging outlets on both sides, so inverted outlets, USB, USB-C on both sides. So I'm just going to kind of crawl over the bed. So you'll have a tiny amount of storage down below. Decent amount of storage off to the right. There's another vent up above my head. And then we'll open up these drawers here so you can kind of see what we're working with. Not getting the bed dirty or anything like that. So TV backer location, so if you want to put a TV in here, you can do that. Looking at the closet, this unit is also prepped for washer and dryer, so if you wanted to do that, it's just nice to have while you're out on the road. And then there's plenty of storage. These drawers I am going to show because the bedroom's important for clothes storage, socks, underwear, t-shirts, sweatshirts, you name it. Or you could store under the bed too. And then just looking off to the left here, same amount of storage that's on the right side. So pretty easy, pretty functional bedroom. Moving back on out, just getting one, oh, here's the thermostat here too. Moving on out, just getting one final look here of this Cougar. Again, half-ton towable, 23 MLE, very popular selling floor plan. So I wanted to get this video out right away for everybody. My name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below, so feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm happy to help answer any questions. So let me know what you think of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.